Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Simplify. To increase your productivity at work, there are tons of shortcuts, technology, or time management techniques that we can leverage on. In today's video, I'll be showing you 14 computer shortcuts that will save you hours at work. So let's dive right into it. Number one, if you want to switch between different tasks that you are working on, press Alt Tab. This will open different tabs that you can switch on and you can click wherever you want to go. So you can quickly do this, to switch to where you want to go. Let's say I'm checking the email right there, and if you do it again, so we can choose another tab. So let's say I'm going here, so you can quickly go there as well. Number two, to cycle through different open tabs, press Ctrl Tab, and this will move through different tabs that you have open, and you can go to wherever you want to go. Number three, we have different applications open in Taskbar, and we want to move through this application as quickly as possible. So you can press Window T to move through this application. And as we see, it's moving through application, so you can click on any application that you need. So let's click on this one, and it will open it for you as quickly as possible. Number four, to take a screenshot of specific area on your screen, press Window plus Shift and S. So this will open the screenshot bar, and you can click where you want to take a screenshot of, and this will save automatically for you as we see here. Number five, if you want to access your file quickly, just press Window E, and this will open File Explorer for you. And on this File Explorer, you can navigate through any file that you need as soon as possible. Number six, let's say we want to be able to compare this data with another data that we have, and we don't want to go front and back, to open different files. So we can split our screen to be able to multitask. All we need to do is to press Window and the arrow key, either right arrow or left arrow, where we want each file to be. You can choose any file that you want. So we want to compare it with Excel Book 2. So click on that and click Enter, and this open the Excel 2 for us. And we can easily compare and contrast now to see if the data is correct or anything we want to do. Number 7, we have a lot of tabs open right now, and we want to have access to our desktop. What we can do quickly is to press Window D to minimize all these windows that we have open, and we have access to our desktop. Number 8, let's say we already finished what we are doing on our desktop and we want to bring back the application we have on previously. Press Window Shift M, and this will bring back the application for us. Number 9, we are done working on this file and we got it saved. Now we want to close it. So we can press Alt F4 to close this as needed. And we can do the same thing for tab as well. If we are working on tab and we already finished what we are doing, so you can press Alt F4 to close it. Number 10, we noticed since morning that our system is slowed down and we don't know what is going on. We can easily access Task Manager to inspect what is going on. To open the Task Manager, press Ctrl Shift Escape. This will open the Task Manager for us. If we look right into this, we can see there's always background process, which is something like we can't really do much to because the system needs to run. But when we look the application that we have up here, we can see which application is taking more size of our memory, and if we don't need the application, we can close it down as needed. Right now we can see we have 26 Chrome tab open, and this is taking tons for our memory, which is like 2000 plus. So we want to be able to close as much as possible to help the system to run fast. Number 11, we can use run command to access specific folder, file or program, and all we need to do is to press Window R, and this will open up our run command. And in this run command, we see our control panel there written there already. We can easily click Enter to access our control panel, and here we see our control panel. We can do anything we want to do. Also, if you go back to the run command, press Window R. In this, we can see, let's say the system is slow as well, and we want to be able to see what kind of file we have deleted, but it still remain on the system. Press %temp and press Enter. This will open the file that is not useful for the system anymore, that has been deleted. So if we delete this, it will help the system to run much faster. Don't worry about deleting this, because if it's a file that our system is using to run smoothly, it won't allow us to delete it. So press delete button. See, I'm deleting that, which will help my system to run faster. And you see some of this folder cannot be deleted, and I need to skip on those ones. So we've deleted the file that can be deleted. That will help the system to run much faster. And this run command can be used when the window key is not working anymore and we want to shut down the system or we want to restart the system. Number 12, we are in team meeting with the leadership, and they are having a difficult time to see what we are showing them on the screen. Either it's too big or too small, and they want us to zoom it in or zoom it out as needed. Instead of going through using this bar right here, you can just press Ctrl and use the mouse wheel to move it out as needed or move it in as needed. So we can zoom in or zoom out as needed. Number 13, we are facing some difficulty using our system and we want to go to settings. We can quickly press Window I to open the setting bar, and here we can see a lot of different things that we can do, work on the system, or maybe we want to check the account or personalize. So we can use Window I to quickly go there. And last but not the least, which is number 14, whenever you're working on your system, don't forget the security issue. You are going to toilet, you are going to washroom, you are going to grab a coffee. Always remember to lock your screen. So use Window L and this will lock your screen for you. And when you come back, you can easily type your password to quickly log in back into your system. By incorporating these 14 tips into your daily routine, you can save time, increase productivity, and reduce stress at work. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, kindly like, subscribe, and click the share button for others to learn. Thank you, and see you in the next video.